So learn this now. You must tell yourself, or when you're praying, say, Lord, teach me your ways. I must learn to know God. Let's put it back up and read it.
We are children of God. Whoever is learning to know God,
Yes.
that is, progressively to perceive.
Progressively. So I want to take it slow. It means progressive, in motion, little by little. I'm going to have to learn God. Sometime Him answer me quick. Sometime Him not answer me so quick. Sometime Him not answer me at all. So it's a progressive learning. I learn that Him answer me and we feel good with Him, and I must watch as I grow with Him. Then I understand that sometime I bless and the next time it's like I wonder where the blessing God. But I am progressively learning to know God when I'm blessed and when I'm not. Some of us, when you're not blessed, is when you think He's not there. No, it's an area of God that you must learn. You must learn and understand that there are times you're going to call on God and Him show up even before you call. And there's another time you call on God and hear your voice and echo, God, God. It's like He is nowhere to be found. But it's not that He's not there. He's in the midst of your call. But guess what? It's a progressive walk. So you keep calling until you find Him.